YouTube. New product reveal. Today, I already pre-wired it up a little bit. So we'll take this over the chair. We're gonna be getting rid of that. We're gonna be installing this. Android 15 CarPlay screen. All that. Microphone for the calls, CarPlay, better navigation, all that. We going, for me, get rid of this ugly stock one. So the first step is you have to plug all these wires in. They look complicated, but if you know what you're doing, man, you just plug it into where it goes. It's only one place each harness is gonna go. And boom. Once you get that one out, you're gonna plug these in to the same exact locations. They match on the factory harness. This is the antenna right here, I believe. Don't mind my nails, they dirty because I was working on the car earlier. And these are the two extra USB ports. So stay tuned. We back at the CarPlay install now. First step, you want to disconnect your fucking battery so you don't short no shit out. So we about to do that right now. Off. Y'all can't really see, it's kind of dark, but it's a little gap right in between these two panels. You want to pop that loose, and then there'll be two screws in there. Come out. Okay, so you gotta see the reason why I was struggling with that shit is because there's two screws right up here. You can't see them, it's too dark, but that's why this panel is having some problems coming on. I'm gonna take this off, and then there's gonna be two 10mm holding this whole thing in. After that, you just pull it right out. So we'll be back. So unscrew those two bolts. Just gonna pop these two in. Two 10mm bolts under this AC panel to hold the radio in. Position those, and then pop the radio out. I'll be right back when I'm done. Alright, so we'll be back at it. So, you also gotta fucking pull off this whole face out here and shit. And move this shit right here. After that though, just pull out the radio. Alright, so we're back. So, to get this shit out, you just gotta pull it out. It's right there. Here we go. First time with the CarPlay. Alright, man. I can find the fucking key. Oh. It's on, y'all. It's here, man. The CarPlay is here. Alright, y'all. It's the final part of the install. So, I'm showing you everything you can do now. Back out. Connect this to Wi-Fi. Press right here. Now it's connected. Go back. You can change the themes, all that. YouTube, Netflix, all that. They got everything on. So to change your theme, you come here in this app store. Scroll through, find a nice theme. One of my favorites right now is, I don't really like the one with the car, so I changed it. It was like this originally. It was something like this, not too colorful. I changed it to this one. Something calm. I'm here to show you when your phone is connected, your song playing right here. Hold on. Then come here. Got a couple apps downloaded already. Go to YouTube. The quality on this is actually pretty good for what it was. I paid $100 for this. And boom. Yo, so what's good, YouTube? This right here is gonna be the end of the video. I'm just showing y'all how the quality look when I watch a movie on YouTube or something. I think this is Transformers, Dark of the Moon. But don't forget to like and subscribe. More content coming soon.